pressure to drink. Introduction. In this presentation, I will talk about what peer pressure is and how it can be good or bad. Definition. Here is the definition of peer pressure. Peer pressure is a feeling that one must do the same thing as other people of one's age group and social group in order to be liked or respected by them. Explanation. What is peer pressure? Peer pressure is when a person is pressured into doing something that they would not normally do by their peers. One thing that many people are pressured into doing is underage drinking and smoking. But not all peer pressure is bad. Sometimes a peer will peer pressure you into doing something like exercising more or eating healthy. They can also peer pressure you into not doing harmful activities like drinking or smoking. Here are 3 real-life examples of how bad peer pressure can be. Here are 2 statistics showing how bad and how many people are affected by peer pressure. On the first one, you can see just how many people agree with a person saying that they have experienced peer pressure before. And on the second one, it says that it gives you a few percentages and numbers about teens and people who have been peer pressured into doing bad things. Conclusion. In conclusion, peer pressure can both be good and bad. Choose your friends wisely so that they will encourage good habits and not bad habits. If you ever find yourself in a place where you have to choose either to hurt someone or lose your so-called friend's respect, choose what you think will help you overall, not what will make you altogether more popular. Here is my bibliography. Feel free to go to these links and read more about the subject. The end. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation.